got background music. Hopefully y'all can hear me. These messages that been coming out today is crazy.
KB, throw her shoe at me.
Okay. Well, tell each other y'all can't be friends no more. Y'all gonna be hitting on each other.
Alright, bye KB, see you tomorrow.
Came back out again. Whatever this, it's like, oh man, I saw this thing the other day on TikTok. It was this guy in a suit, like a business suit, and he unzipped his head and unzipped all of his clothes off, and he was like this black ghoul creature underneath. That's some shit like this. This is like a demonic energy plaguing these people. Those are like the protected people. So, yeah. So the truth. Okay. I need the truth about some type of an agreement. This is like an old agreement, like a prehistoric type agreement. Somebody went rogue, and it was like whoever went rogue had the ability to recreate or rewrite history. I hear DuckTales. Woo! DuckTales is Uncle Scrooge, and Uncle Scrooge was a Scrooge. I hear the Grinch. I see you. I'm hearing Scrooge, but I'm seeing the Grinch, the green one. I mean, both are horrible. Stingy and mean and surly. And I always want to fight. So they would like mess with people while they were sleeping, or like this is more like tying people down. What? I don't like this channel. I don't like this channel. I'm seeing people like drinking like blood. This is like a ritual. It's like where they feed this king of wands. It's like feeding souls to this king of wands. Somebody's in the house worried. Well, somebody's like up worried at night because something about they're fighting their happy illusion being ruined. It's falling. This is falling. Ace of Cups, Five of Swords. This is like playing on innocence, playing with children. So this Chariot, King of Swords, is coming to pick up these sovereign beings that have been heartbroken, abused, I'm hearing like talked down to. It's like they glamorized. They kind of like only wanted it to be like one type of woman, and they glamorized like this Queen of Wands energy, while leaving everyone else to kind of like pick up the pieces and it's like hiding hands and throwing rocks and hiding hands. Yeah, something like that. It's like a game. It's like a yeah, it's a game where they send people on these journeys, but it's like they already rigged the game. They already put like little Easter eggs all throughout it that benefit them and go against. That could lead you to death. Hi.
Mommy.
Okay, go back over there, please. Yeah, this was like, this is just work till you die type shit. Like, they wanted to put divine feminine energy to work. So they could be, so they could be Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords. This is King of Pentacles. This is like, they wanted to be like pretty princess type. Like they wanted people to be like, I'm beautiful too. I'm beautiful too. Look at me. I'm beautiful too. Type shit. I want to be in my soft girl era too. That's exactly what it is. So divine masculine energy kind of like tanked. Like it. This is like, damn, the way that I'm seeing it, the vibration of divine masculine in total, like the collective energy on the divine masculine side, lowered below a certain standard. So this is like when I worked in the hotel industry. If a hotel doesn't keep itself up to a certain standard, that hotel could come in and take its brand name away. Like I've seen it happen to lots of hotels. They'll get their name taken away, so they're this is the first time I'm seeing it like this, but divine masculine pretty much lost its credentials. Yeah, they lost their credentials after some. It's like they started to create like this rival mindset when they were never meant to be rivals. Everybody was supposed to work in unison. Like they were supposed to just work in unison. And it's like when they wanted to start to control everything, it's kind of when they wanted to be this emperor and just take and be like a dictatorship over this Queen of Cups. You want this? So you can lock up that intuition. So these people know that if feminine energy were completely and totally unencumbered, essentially their high priestess, their intuition, their psychic abilities would begin to awaken. Yep, their gifts would start to awaken. So I need you to be stressed out. They need you, ma'am. You was going against the grain. Let them man folks stress you out. In another lifetime, the more that they can extort your energy from you in as many different ways, it's kind of like if you were hung up by strings of being puppeted. Because now, yeah, that's exactly what it is. So if I can drain you of your energy, then you don't have enough of it, because I can promise you it takes a lot of energy in order to be and stay tapped into that realm, because it's so much information and it's not something that at least I've known how to do my entire life. It's something that I'm still actually perfecting. So I'll never tell you that I'm like the greatest psychic that there's ever been. No, I'm great at what I do. I don't need to fight with nobody else. I love that for you. I love the fact that, hey, your gift is amazing. I love hearing about other people's gifts. I do. I do. One of my son's friends asked me, Miss Monet, if you had a superpower, what would it be? And I was like, I already got my superpower, baby. I already got my superpower. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Oh, there's about to be a party. There's gonna be a party. Oh, no, it's not a party. I'm sorry. It's a court date. It's a court date. It's not a party. There's a court date. I don't know if somebody is already in jail. They could possibly already be in jail. But I'm seeing somebody, 10 of cups. 10 of cups could be like a heart, or an attack on a family, or this could be a heart attack, which they may end up in the hospital, where their condition will deteriorate. They're worried about a house or something like that. And this King of Wands, they're worried about him spilling the tea or some shit. They want them to like say they didn't do it or something like that. They want him to block out a connection with maybe like a lawyer or some type of an investigator. Four Swords, the world. Somebody might be following someone. Somebody is monitoring someone or something like that, watching them. Ace of Swords to get the truth about lovers, to see if somebody I am making love to your old lady while I'm making love. They wanted to know the truth if their lover was creeping and sneaking and picking and giving them money. It's like if that's why this person found like a certain level of balance or a certain level of peace. I got the King of Pentacles in the upright and the Knight of Cups in the upright. Knight of Swords. Somebody feels like, I guess they grew up some, or they had an epiphany, or I hear I only got 4 minutes. They gotta rush in because this Empress is about to something about the end of a job, or they're trying to end this person's job opportunity, something coming to them, some kind of investor that's supposed to be coming to them. They want them to go the other way. Or that's kind of what's been happening, is because they've been getting paid and threatened and lied to and told to go and leave this person alone. They told everybody that this person was possibly like a whore. Like that's that. Just like that whole over that type of energy. Knight of Wands. Somebody came in to investigate this situation and found out that this person was very loving, very caring. And it's like they were lied to by someone that should have been trustworthy. They feel betrayed. because whatever they did, this is kind of like getting information from somebody. You trust that information, so you take action against the person, but you never confirm whether the information that you got was legit or not. And you do that person dirty just based off of what somebody else told you. So somebody now feels bad about betraying somebody based off of outside information and not how that person was actually being presented to them. Even though they could feel it, they didn't trust their intuition because um, once you see a certain type of people so much, it's like you lose faith in. So it's just like you just another one of them. Like, so I don't know. So somebody must have thought that somebody was trying to get to them for the wrong reasons, but it's just kind of like, yo, I really fuck with you. Like, I'm hearing that song again. I don't need me a basketball player. All I need is somebody that's down with me. And he don't have to have money. It's just like honey, it's so sweet to me. Have everything in this world, but I sacrifice. You know what? I don't even at this point. I don't even want a rich man. Lord, don't give me no rich man. Don't do that. Just give me a generous man. Generous. I mean, if he rich too, on top of that, and generous, that is. Both of them is cool, but I'd rather have generous because a generous person wants to see you prosper. A lot of rich people, when they put out a lot of these tips and drills and telling you that you need to be in your office at 4 a.m. for 27 hours a day, that's how you become successful. What? Are you okay? Like, no, I want to go to the beach. Like, I want to fucking go learn how to fish. I want to go play with my dog. I want to go meditate. I want to drive across the country and not worry about who's looking for me. Not like that, but like, but like, I don't want to have to worry about having to come back. I don't want to be tied to anything. That sounds so unattractive. Ugh. Oh yeah, this is look at what's at the bottom. I'd rather be free. I would. I'd rather be traveling any day.